welcome back. And for those of you that's new here, thank you for stopping by. My name is Belle, and in today's video, we're going to find out which one of these two is better. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of my makeup on, and then we will see which one of these two mascaras perform better or looks better on my lashes later. First one that we are going to try is the one from Wet n Wild. It's their Lash Renegade Mascara. So I'm gonna put this one on my left side, my left eye, and see which one is this. Oh, look, I like that one. All right, go closer. The brushes is really stiff. It's not flimsy, so you can really take control. But sometimes I hate this kind though, because I get too clumsy and I poke my eye. Look at that. I like this little ball tip because you can really go in there and kind of so that's what it looks like. This is actually really good. I've been using my Essence mascara and I've been liking it, but it looks like we're gonna be back on this one. Now let's try the LA Girl on the right side. I have this in, I'm pretty sure, the blackest of the black. This is the LA Girl Extreme Lash Lifting Formula Mascara. Instantly volumize and lengthens lashes. Oh well. This one, I've never used it. I mean, I haven't tried this one. So I am curious to see how this one works or how this one will look on my lashes. All right, so we'll come closer. It's just a typical, normal mascara. You know, most mascara usually looks like this. It has really huge bristles. I don't know if you can tell, but look at those brushes. All right, let's see this one. Oh, where's my mirror? I don't like the applicator so far. I cannot control. I mean, I don't know. But whoa, 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 look at that. It does really lift your lashes. And look at the length. What? Eyelashes. Oh, looks like one is better than the other one. This is the Wet n Wild Renegade Mascara, and this is the LA Girl Mascara. Go closer. Look at that. Okay. All right, let me go ahead and put this on my lower lash line. I mean, lower lashes, see what they look like. Alright guys, so I finished both of the application. So again, I put the Wet n Wild mascara on the left eye, and then I applied the LA Girl mascara on my right side. So I actually love both of these mascara, guys. The Wet n Wild one separates your lashes really well, while the LA Girl mascara, on the other hand, lift and lengthens your lashes pretty good. So it depends what you want, but I think this mascara, both of these mascaras are awesome. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click the subscribe button for more upcoming videos. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.